Today we're taking a look at a SmallRig Tribex SE tripod, which is more than 2 times cheaper than the original Tribex, but still super versatile. Let's take a closer look. What's good guys, my name is Oleg Nikitin and you're watching No Limits On channel, and both the original Tribex and the Tribex SE are made in collaboration with one of my favorite YouTubers, Potato Jet, and I highly appreciate his work that he put into this tripod. The Tribex SE is made out of aluminum alloy and it weighs 3.7 kilograms. I would say it's definitely not the most lightweight tripod that I've used, but compared to really heavy sturdy tripods for cinema cameras, it is more than manageable. But to be honest guys, I wouldn't call this tripod a travel tripod. The leg's load capacity is 15 kilograms, but as you probably saw from the advertisement materials by Jin himself, he was actually laying on the tripod feet himself, and I think he's around 60 to 70 kilograms. And the head load capacity is 6 kilograms. The working height is from 23 centimeters to 166 centimeters, and in my opinion that's the sweet spot between the stability of the tripod and also the height of it. The most innovative part of SmallRig Tribex series of tripods is of course the release mechanism with this little clutch. You simply hold it, press it, and then you can adjust the height. When it goes up, it's super nice, but when it's going down, it's a bit harder. You need to wobble this tripod a little bit, but all in all, it's super nice and quick. And to level it up properly, it's also super easy. You simply hold it like this, you level it up with the bubble level, then you release the mechanism, and there you go. And as you could tell guys, this tripod is the fastest in the world in terms of raising the height or lowering the tripod. And this type of release mechanism is really handy for run and gun shooting scenarios like weddings or repertoire style shoots, and also is great for product filmmaking when you need to readjust the height of your tripod a lot during a short time period. And the clutch can also be tilted for storage to 90 degrees, like so. You can also use it like this, but I do prefer to hold it like so, and then you can simply do like so and readjust the height. This type of release mechanism is super nice for an uneven terrain. For example, if you work in the field, it's really easy to level it up. And also I would love to have an additional ball head on top for super precise motions when I need to shoot macro, for example, because with this clutch it's a little harder to level it up perfectly fine when you have like micro adjustments. And also due to the construction of the legs themselves, this tripod is a little wobbly, but I think because of the construction you couldn't make it as stable as different tripods that don't have this quick release mechanism. The Tribex SE tripod is using the Manfrotto type plates, and also you can push a little button and it becomes compatible with the DJI RS plates, so you can move from gimbal to a tripod really quickly. And what's even more important is that that system has a safety mechanism, so you won't lose your camera anytime. The fluid head itself is pretty smooth, but it's not adjustable, but still you can get pretty smooth shots both for tilt and pan with this head, so no complaints here. And also there are several 1/4-20" threads on the body of the tripod itself, so you can attach different accessories to it. The legs can be spread out for more stability and for the low angle shots, and plus the central column is detachable and even reversible for super low angle shots. The tripod comes with a nicely made carrying bag, plus you get a telescopic detachable handle for the fluid head and some extra Allen keys. And the cherry on top is that the SmallRig is providing you with a 4-year warranty for this tripod. But no matter which tripod I'm using, I always prefer to use the most reliable and fast memory card, such as Pergear CF Express Type A Master. With read and write speeded up to 1600 megabytes per second, it allows me to record in the highest bitrate that my camera offers, and also gives me super fast file transfers to my computer. And to make it even more convenient, Pergear also makes a combined CF Express Type A and Type B card reader with up to 40 gigabits per second speeds, and since my wife uses Nikon cameras with CF Express Type B cards and I use the Sony cameras with CF Express Type A cards, we are both fully covered. Just look how fast I'm able to transfer a huge file to my computer, and by the way, it's now playing in real time. Safe, convenient and budget-friendly memory cards and card readers by Pergear. Highly recommended. Thanks Pergear for sponsoring this video. But how is the Tribex SE different from the original Tribex, which is more than 2 times more expensive? The Tribex SE has an aluminum construction compared to carbon fiber, but the net weight is almost exactly the same. The original Tribex comes with more advanced feet, but to my liking I would prefer those types of sticks, to be honest. The original Tribex has 6-stage counterbalance on the fluid head, but this one, the SE version, only has 1 stage of counterbalance, but to my liking it's more than enough, because I still would be using the mirrorless cameras with this tripod. And finally, on the original Tribex we have better mechanism of the clutch, because you can tilt it to 45 degrees, whereas this one is only to 90 degrees. So basically this is it, and those differences are not crucial in my opinion, so this one is a no-brainer in terms of the pricing. And the price of the Tribex SE with a holiday discount on B&H Photo is $320, and I think for this amount of cash, this is a killer bang for a buck, especially considering the price of the original model being $800. And just for the reference guys, my fluid head that I'm using right now, even without the sticks, costs more than 2 times more than the full Tribex SE tripod. Of course my fluid head has better payload, different features, counterbalance, etc, but still, even the head without the sticks more than 2 times more expensive than a pretty good tripod with super quick release mechanism. Now we're talking. And to be honest guys, for the things I'm doing, I can get the job done with both my super expensive fluid head and with this fluid head as well. So considering all the factors I've mentioned above, this tripod from SmallRig comes highly recommended, and I think that Potato Jet and SmallRig did a great job when constructing and designing this tripod. If you did enjoy this video, smash the like and subscribe buttons and hit the notifications bell, and right here I have a video comparison of 3 different lightweight tripods for you to watch next. See you in that video guys, take care, bye.